Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn the Nellore famous fish curry. Let's get into the video. Required ingredients: onions, garlic, fried fenugreek and jeera, 4 medium-sized tomatoes, and 1 kg of fish. Two lemon-sized tamarind should be soaked an hour before. 2 spoons of coconut paste, curry leaves, turmeric and chili powder, and coriander powder. We are all set to cook. To a blender, add garlic, 3/4 spoon of jeera and fenugreek, and chopped onion. Blend them into a fine paste. Add sliced tomatoes and blend them into a fine paste. Onion and tomato paste are ready. Take a wide container, add onion paste to it, add 2 spoons of coconut paste, add half teaspoon turmeric, three spoons of red chili powder, two spoons of coriander powder, add the tomato paste, add curry leaves to it. Now mix the entire mixture thoroughly. Mix it well. Add a bowl of extracted tamarind juice to it and mix well. Add salt as per taste. Mix it well. Now add 4 spoons of oil. Keep this on the stove and switch on the flame. Let it boil for 10 minutes and cover it. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and you can see it's boiling. Now gently add the fish pieces to it. After adding the fish pieces, now gently stir throughout so that all the fish pieces soaked in. After 10 minutes, make the flame low. After 10 minutes, add some mango pieces if required. I like mango pieces in the fish curry. Stir gently in this manner. Let it cook for 10 minutes. I can smell the fragrance of the fish curry and it's ready. Now stir it in this manner. Do not use a spatula to move. The fish may break. You can see the oil gathering on the top, which means it's cooked. In total, you have to cook for half an hour after adding the fish. Now switch off the flame. The tasty fish curry is ready. Serve hot. Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.